Hey everyone, it's time to dive into the secrets of glycogen rebuilding, crucial for anyone serious about their fitness journey. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning, understanding how to replenish your glycogen stores can make a world of difference in your performance and recovery. First off, what exactly is glycogen? Think of it as the fuel tank for your muscles. When you work out, especially during high-intensity exercises, your body taps into these glycogen stores to keep you going. But post-workout, these reserves need to be refilled to prepare you for your next session. So how do we rebuild glycogen effectively? Let's break it down. Number 1, carbohydrates are your best friend. After a workout, your body is like a sponge, ready to soak up nutrients. Consuming carbs within the first hour post-exercise is critical. Aim for fast-digesting carbs like bananas, rice cakes, or even a smoothie. These options help jumpstart the glycogen replenishment process. Number 2, pair your carbs with protein. This combo not only aids in muscle repair but also speeds up glycogen replenishment. A ratio of 3, 1 carbs to protein is often recommended. Think of a peanut butter and banana sandwich or Greek yogurt with honey and berries. Number 3, stay hydrated. Water plays a pivotal role in glycogen storage. When you're dehydrated, your body's efficiency in storing glycogen drops. Keep sipping throughout the day, and consider electrolyte-rich drinks post-workout if you've been sweating a lot. Number 4, don't skip the post-workout meal. Some people might think that skipping meals saves calories, but it's counterproductive for recovery. Your muscles need those nutrients to bounce back stronger and more resilient. Finally, let's talk about rest. Your body needs time to rebuild and store glycogen. Ensure you get adequate sleep and give your muscles a break with proper rest days. Overtraining can deplete glycogen stores faster than they can be replenished. So, to wrap it up, rebuilding glycogen after workouts comes down to a few simple strategies. Eat carbs and protein, stay hydrated, have a post-workout meal, and get enough rest. Implement these tips and you'll notice a significant improvement in your recovery and performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Stay strong and keep pushing forward.